Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So what's going on, guys? We're gonna get right into it, guys. So we got our motor put in like I showed you guys on the last video. So what I'm gonna do now is plug in the wire harness, get all that buttoned up. We still got to figure out what we're gonna do with our charge harness. Probably gonna make a custom power wire and stuff like that to get it all nice and tucked. And then another thing I wanted to show you guys was we got our brake booster put in, and I painted the brake booster. That is the original brake booster. I just painted it, make it look all nice. And we got a K20 reservoir for our master cylinder. We put that in as well. So it's looking pretty clean in here so far, guys. So yeah, and another thing I wanted to show you guys was we got our Moroso Oil Pan put in. I went with a Moroso Oil Pan. I was having one of my buddies, they were having issues with oil pressure and G-force when they were launching their cars. So I didn't want to have any type of issues with that. So I went ahead and got a Moroso Oil Pan. It's baffled on the inside. I believe it holds 6.5 quarts of oil. It's a little bit more than the original oil pan, so that's a plus. And I'll show you guys a little video on what it looks like on the inside. All right, guys, so here we go. We got a Moroso Oil Pan that we are going to be putting into the car. It's baffled. Let's see if I can put the GoPro in there. It's a baffled oil pan. And we got our Honda bond and our OEM bolts, just shorter bolts. So we're gonna go ahead and start putting this on, and we already removed the original oil pan. So we're gonna go ahead and put that on, and yeah. But yeah, guys, as far as that goes, we are going to put in the wire harness and possibly do an unboxing and put the headlights in as well. So I'm gonna set up the camera and we'll get started, guys. All right, guys, so I got the head mount put on, so we're gonna do it like that. So I'm gonna put this over here. This is the injectors. So I got these little adapters, so that's what we're gonna be plugging into a little harness. So we'll plug them in underneath. All right, so that's all plugged in. So the little ground that goes usually on top of the valve cover, I'm going to tuck it so it'll be right there. I don't know if you guys can see it real well, but it's gonna be right there. So I'll go ahead and loosen that and put that on. All right, so the wire harness is put in. This we're gonna run, I don't know we're gonna run this yet, but it's probably gonna go either here, back here, or somewhere up here. But we'll figure that out later down the road when we have more stuff put in. So as far as that goes, that's it for the wire harness. Let's put this throttle cable in. We got our hybrid racing throttle cable. All right, well, I gotta fuck with this more, so we'll get that figured out. But for now, we're gonna leave that there. And so we're gonna go ahead and put the headlights on as well. Start getting this car buttoned up. We got some Downstar hardware. I'm gonna use the new ones for this. All right, guys, so we got our wire harness in, headlights are on. Still gotta work on that charge harness, but it's plugged in. Still need to figure out what we're gonna do to get power to the battery and stuff like that. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for that. And I got a couple packages from Hybrid Racing. I'm gonna go ahead and save the unboxing for the next video. We got our two boxes from Hybrid Racing. So make sure you guys tune in for the next video so you guys can see what's inside the brown box. Appreciate the love, guys. Make sure you guys hit the thumbs up, like and subscribe, and hit the notification so you guys can see my next video posted. Have a good one, guys.